Symmetry is unique in the life insurance industry, again, circling back to culture. For me, that's the biggest part. I built deeper and more meaningful relationships here in the relatively short time that I've been here. I've been here a few years, but the culture of the company is very unique. The structure as far as support from corporate is just amazing. I really feel like the ownership of the company is really in the boat with us, so to speak, and they have our backs.
Unique in the fact that, well, previously when I was working out in the field, certainly it was a good opportunity to go personally produce. Here, it gave me an opportunity to personally produce, but give me an opportunity also to build a business. But not only build a business and increase my time, but increase profitability. Increase profitability for myself, but also the agents that I was in business with. And I think that's pretty unique to this industry because a lot of the IMOs, the way they're set up, is just not set up as the advantage for the agent. It's more the advantage of the higher ups. And I was able, even as a starting agent here, not only to make money, but also be able to support and grow a business here. And it's pretty unique to be able to do that in your first year, and we were able to do that in our first year. And that was huge for us because we didn't have time to waste with two little boys.
I think Symmetry is unique in the life insurance industry because of the time and money they put on the back end for agents, which is with Quilty and their technology that they've developed. Nobody else has it. We're the first ones out there. And just what they've done for us as builders, it's a plug-and-play system. We can put our people in and they can be fully functioning agents, and they know the system inside and out because of the stuff that Quilty has put in.
Symmetry is very unique in how they approach individuals who have never had experience in this before, getting and understanding how to create this life for themselves, where previously this may not be something that they could have thought ever possible, to grant them the time and the money that they are looking for the lifestyle that they're looking for. And I think boiling that down is culture and the people that we are associating with every single day.
Symmetry is different in the life insurance industry because everything they do is focused on helping a new agent win as fast as possible. And by a new agent winning, they have the belief in themselves that they can actually have what they left their 9-to-5 for. And I have never seen a company actually care about the people who are just getting started more than the people who have been doing this for 13 years. And I'm not saying that they don't care about the people who have been doing this for 13 years. They're just very well taken care of because the company knows you've helped us build this from the ground up. Let's really give back. And everyone's on the same page.
I had a little bit of experience in the life insurance industry. I was with a company for a short period of time, which allowed me to realize the differences between what a company that had the structure being more sound and just the track to run on. So for me, what I experienced was Symmetry has just a lot more of a system in place and a lot more as far as your trainings. It just seemed like it had a lot better system for helping other people get started, where the other company came from was a lot of it on your own.
The tools that Symmetry offers to make an agent's life easier are amazing. From training, Summit coming in here and it putting everything in your hands as you're going through it when you need it is really, there's nothing easier, especially if you're building a team, because they're being trained through that system. The leads, I came in here and just crushed it my first 2 years on my own personal production using the system of leads that we have here. And then the guidance to grow an organization, from tech to help us, from mentorship. The systems are just second to none. And I don't want to use the word easy, but it makes it a lot simpler for an agent to succeed here.
Can you tell us how being with Symmetry has changed your life?
How being here at Symmetry has changed my life. It's like a dream come true. From coming from owning my own personal businesses, I thought I was living the American dream. What I learned there was I was lucky if I made 100 grand, but I was giving my life and time away because I wasn't with my family. And being able to make way more income here, living a different lifestyle. Last year I was able to take 9 of my family members on a airplane trip to a vacation. For me, it was something only rich folks did. I just remember Home Alone. And to be able to do that and come back with more income or more money in my bank than before was just life-changing. being just the lifestyle, the culture. I'm just couldn't be any happier to be here.
Wow. Well, you know, in some ways it's hard to do that because I came to Symmetry fresh and I didn't know anything about the insurance industry. I didn't really know anything outside of education, and my husband's a pastor, so like ministry. And so to come into insurance, I was just as green as you could imagine and I knew nothing. And I thank God every day that I arrived not just at Symmetry, but in the Cook organization, because knowing now what I know about, you know, different companies and different options within the insurance industry, there is nowhere else I would rather be. The more I, you know, learn or hear from other agents and about, you know, just what it's like to maybe be an independent or be with other IMOs, I'm so thankful that I'm here. Like our culture, the way we support each other, the support that we have from Symmetry and from Quility, it's unmatched. There's no comparison because we're so above everyone else. I mean, there's no comparison. I'm so thankful to be here.